So welcome back guys to our YouTube channel. So today it's Sunday, it's weekend, so we are back again with our exclusive new video. So today we will be talking about one of the richest men on this planet, the king of investors, none other than Warren Buffett. So today we will actually know that how he became so rich, what did he do in his life that he is now so successful, his rules of investing, which we all should know, and his life facts. So, first of all, let me tell you some details about Warren Buffett. So, first of all, Warren Edward Buffett is an American investor, business tycoon, and the chairman and the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. He is considered one of the most successful investors in the world and has a net worth of over $100.6 billion as of April 2021, making him the world's seventh wealthiest person. He was born on 30 August 1930. He is now 90 years old. He was born in Omaha, that is in the United States. His net worth is 10,990 crores USD as per the Forbes. He has done his schooling from Columbia Business School and Columbia University. He is a very famous personality and is also known as Oracle of Omaha, where he lives. Warren Buffett, as you know, is one of the most successful investors, and he runs Berkshire Hathaway, which owns more than 60 companies, more than 60 companies. That includes Duracell, that is the battery maker company, and the restaurant chain Dairy Queen. In 1941, when he was 11 years old, Warren bought his first stock. He purchased 6 shares of City Service preferred stock, 3 shares for himself and 3 shares for his sister Doris at a cost of $38 per share. The company fell to $27 but shortly climbed up back to $40. Warren Buffett became a billionaire when Berkshire Hathaway began selling Class A shares on May 29, 1990, with the market closing at 7,175, that is $7,175 a share. So the most important question that arises is that how should a beginner invest? So there are 8 investment strategies from Warren Buffett for beginners. First, buy and hold. These are the strategies of Warren Buffett. Second, stay with cash if necessary. Third, invest in companies you understand. Fourth, look for quality companies to invest in. Know the difference between price and value. Sixth, choose the right news to focus on. Seventh, sell at the right time. And eighth, this is the most important point, invest like you are buying the entire company. So, one of the most important questions that arises is, what is Warren Buffett investment strategy? For all the people, for the beginners, for the experienced ones, and for all the investors. So, Buffett follows the Benjamin Graham School of Value Investing, which looks for securities whose prices are low based on their intrinsic worth, that is the intrinsic value. Rather than focus supply and demand of the stock market, Buffett looks at the companies as a whole. So, what is Warren Buffett portfolio? So I here name top 5 investments of Warren Buffett. So they are Apple, Bank of America, Coca-Cola, American Express, and Kraft Heinz. Apple in Berkshire Hathaway's largest portfolio holding, comprising 49.1% of the portfolio. So one of the most important strategy of Warren Buffett is to build a portfolio of blue chip companies. Blue chip companies means the companies that are more secure, which have a big market cap, which have big net worth, and are known by the people. So to build a portfolio of blue chip companies with strong balance sheets, holding investments over a long time. So as you know, as I told you earlier, that Apple is Berkshire Hathaway's largest portfolio holding, comprising 49.1% of the portfolio. Warren Buffett has held shares of Coca-Cola since the late 1980s. The company accounts for about 8.6% of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio. In 2011, Buffett began investing in Bank of America when Berkshire Hathaway purchased in a private offering 50,000 shares of the company preferred stock at a liquidation value of $1 lakh. Yes, $1 lakh. So here are few quotes of Warren Buffett which tell you actually the rules of investing and also that why should you invest in the share market. So first, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. See, if you invest your money in the share market and you don't know that how the company is, what is the business model of the company, what are the financial reports of the company, then you are taking a risk. But if you know all the business model of the company, you watch the advertisements of the company, you have the idea of the company that it can grow in few years, in the near years, in the future years, it can give you profit. So then there is no risk, and this is known as calculated risk. So this is true that risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. Second, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So I repeat it again. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. See, this is the most important quote. You know why? First of all, if you invest your money in the market, so your money works. Your money is not at rest. See, saving is a good habit, but when you save money, your money does not do work. It is just kept at one place. But to invest money, when you invest money, your money is at work. It can grow also, it can decrease also. There's a risk, but actually it is important to invest in the share market to make your money do work. The third most important thing, the most important investment you can make is in yourself. See, this is one of the most important quote of Warren Buffett. At first, we should make ourselves better, which is the most important part. See, when we become a better person, we can actually change life of the other people also. We can treat them better, we can help them, we can help poor, and we can also help our relatives when they are in need. And also it's better to become a good person. And investment is not all about money, it is also about time, because time is also money. It's about spending time with good friends which would lead you in a good direction of humanity. The best example of it is, who is the best friend of Warren Buffett? The best friend of Warren Buffett is Bill Gates. See, when two successful individuals, people good at heart, sit together, something good comes out of it. And the same opposite thing happens when two bad people, bad at heart, sit together, something bad comes out of them, nothing good. So it's better to spend some time with good friends which would actually help you. And the fourth quote, never depend on a single income, make investment create a source. See, first of all, if you want to become rich, you cannot become rich by having just a single source of income. So here's Warren Buffett quote, never depend on a single income, make investment create a source. So you should invest so that you can create a second source of your income, which would make you rich, which would help your families too, which would actually improve your financial conditions. So these were the quotes of Warren Buffett. And now the question arises, how Warren Buffett is so rich? See, these are all the quotes which tell about the mindset, the thinking of Warren Buffett, that how he thinks while he invests in the share market. In one of his interviews, Warren Buffett said he never doubted himself that he would not become rich. So here we can see the mindset of Warren Buffett. And he started investing at the age of 11. So you can see that he had a business mind. So we should learn from Warren Buffett that how we can be successful in share market, and also how can we be a successful entrepreneur. See, he owns Berkshire Hathaway, which owns 60 companies. He had stakes in Apple, Coca-Cola, big companies of the world, the huge companies, the blue chip companies. So this is all for today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you. Please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.